by hitting our legs like this. And I'm going to say something, and you're going to repeat it. And everything I do, you do it too. After. So here's how we go. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. Let's go. Let's go. We come to a door.
We come to a door.
Can't go over it.
Can't go over it.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Let's go through it.
Let's go through it.
So now we open the door. We come to a fence.
We come to a fence.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Can't go around it.
Can't go around it.
Let's go through it.
Let's go through it.
We come to a tree.
We come to a tree.
Can't go over it.
Can't go over it.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Let's go around it.
Let's go around it.
We come to a wheat field.
Come to a wheat field.
Can't go over it.
Can't go over it.
Can't go around it.
Can't go around it.
Let's go through it.
Let's go through it.
There's tall wheat. Do the tall wheat. There's medium wheat. And there's low wheat. We come to a river.
We come to a river.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Can't go around it.
Can't go around it.
Let's swim across it.
Let's swim across it.
Cute.
We come to a mountain.
Come to a mountain.
Can't go around it.
Can't go around it.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Let's climb up it.
Let's climb up it.
We come to a cave.
We come to a cave.
Let's go inside.
Let's go inside.
It's dark in here, and it's cold. Does anybody have a flashlight? Do you have a flashlight?
It's
Thank you. But there's something warm and fuzzy here. It's a bear! Slide down the mountain. Slide across the mountain. Go through the wheat field. Tall wheat, medium wheat, low wheat. Get to the tree. Go around the tree. Open up the fence. Open up the door. Run up the stairs. Jump into the bed. We're safe.
Good job.